Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a Google account. To begin, you want to open up Chrome and press on Add. From here, you want to press on Sign In, and it should bring you to this tab. Let me make this English. And from here, you want to press on Create Account for myself. Now, you're going to have to put in your first name. I'm going to do Test Account. From here, you can choose the desired email you want. For me, it'll be testaccount for YouTube at gmail.com. This isn't allowed. Test account for real YT. Okay, that. Anyway, you should put something like your name with some numbers or something. From there, you want to choose a password that you can remember. It's important because Google is quite a big ecosystem. So it has access to multiple stuff, and in the Google ecosystem, you have one account for all of your Google services. So make sure you choose a password that you don't forget. Then confirm the password. And you can press this to see your password. I'm not going to be doing that. And you're going to press on next. From here, it's going to need your phone number. I'm going to put in my phone number, but you guys put in yours and press next. Okay, so after you put in your phone number, it's going to ask for a verification code and it should be sent to your phone number. From there, you want to write the verification code. I didn't show this on video for privacy purposes, but that's it. From here, you can remove the phone number, which I did, and the recovery email address, which is optional. So if you do lose your account, there can be sent a recovery link there. Next up, you want to choose your month, day, and year. If you're under the age of 13, I highly suggest you lie about your age so that you get full access to all Google services. But if you're not under the age of 13 and you're over it, then you should be fine with putting in your real birthday. So I'm going to put something random, 34 and 2000. Next up, gender, male or female, either one of these. Don't choose the other ones. Next up, press on I agree. And you have successfully basically made it. Just simply press on turn on sync. And you've successfully made your Chrome Google account. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tech tutorials. I'll be seeing you guys shortly in the next video. Goodbye.